Hi, this is Brewnourish, a quiet exploration of fermentation where time does the work. In today's episode, we will discuss about the difference between fermentation and spoilage. Fermentation and spoilage are often confused. They can look similar, they can smell unfamiliar, but they are not the same. Fermentation is a controlled process. Spoilage is an uncontrolled breakdown. Understanding the difference is what gives you confidence when fermenting food at home. Let's start with what normal fermentation looks like. During fermentation, it's common to see bubbles rising in the jar. That's a good sign. It means microbes are active. The liquid may turn cloudy. The smell may become sour or tangy. Sometimes a thin white layer can form on the surface. These changes are expected. They are part of fermentation, doing this work. Now let's talk about spoilage. Spoilage usually shows clear warning signs, strong rotten smells, fuzzy mold in green, black or blue colors, slimy textures that don't belong. These are signs of uncontrolled growth. When you see them, the food should be discarded. Here is the key difference. Fermentation changes food in a predictable and gradual way. Spoilage breaks food down without structure or balance. Fermentation smells sharp, sour, alive. Spoilage smells rotten, unpleasant, wrong. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to observe. Trust your senses, trust the process. With salt, time and clean conditions, fermentation is remarkably reliable. And the more you watch it, the more confident you become. Sometimes fermentation does go wrong, and when it does, there is usually a reason. Fermentation spoils when the environment loses balance. This can happen if there is not enough salt, if vegetables are exposed to air, if jars or hands are not clean, or if the temperature is too warm. Without enough salt, harmful bacteria can grow faster than the good ones. When vegetables float above the brine, oxygen reaches the surface and mold gets a chance to grow. Dirty tools or jars can introduce unwanted microbes from the start. And very high temperature can push fermentation too fast before balance has time to form. But the good news is, most spoilage is preventable. Use the right amount of salt, keep vegetables fully submerged in brine, use clean jars and clean hands, and ferment in a calm, stable environment. Fermentation does not need perfection. It needs attention. When salt, time and cleanliness work together, fermentation becomes predictable and safe. Spoilage is not a failure, it's a feedback, and every batch teaches you something. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Brewnourish for more fermented and healthy food recipes.